Hello everybody, today in front of me I have NAS Phone 1, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's go ahead and launch the keyboard. In here at the top part of it, you want to look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Next, simply open it, turn on the switch, and that will essentially mean that you have successfully enabled the keyboard clipboard. Next, if you would like to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. If you would like for something to be added to it, simply copy that. So let's say I want the word car to be added, so I'll copy the word, and once I get to the clipboard, I'll see that it has been successfully added as the new clipboard element. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.